Look at this. Nice little trash can. We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. What happened? I wish she were beautiful like the squirrels of the woods. Maybe if she wasn't dead. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Is she crucified? Oh. Book of the Grove. Chapter 5. Verse 1. Why are there like... Look, this box is bigger than me. Why do you need this many plates? And where's the sink in the bathroom? This would be nice, pretty cozy if... In 5 days, God is coming. Yeah, this would be pretty cozy if... Oh, this wasn't happening. It's time to hunt the squirrels. Use the map to orient yourself. So click tab. You can run. That's what I was testing. You can run with shift. Stay low. Use your ears. Okay. Bet. So I should be able to hear squirrels before I see them. Let's keep alert. I got him. It's one. What is going on right there? Got another one. Man, I'm on a roll. I can't reload my weapons until like I actually go to shoot one. What's happening over here? What is this like radio tower? I'm actually interested in this. Ammo. That could be useful. Who's this? Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods, desiring to ease his loneliness. He saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation. As he imagined she must look, he was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar. Come back tomorrow for part 2. You know what? I just might do that. No! Oh no. I don't think I got him. Get a bit closer. I got him. Man, this gun shoots far. I think it shoots like a shotgun, but it shoots like a rifle as well. It's weird. So maybe it's meta to chase them. Here we go. Okay. What is this? This is probably... What? What the? Squirrels can eat their body weight and food every week. We have an energy drink. Wait, the energy drink is bad for you, I think, actually. Because it increases your volume. Yeah. Got him! Reload. Alright, I only need one more. So I think meta is to run this way. And 3, 2, 1, and crouch. Just in case there's one closer. I think that's meta. Oh wait, it shows how much ammo you have at the bottom left. So I have 2 bullets left. That should be enough. And also, there's like ammo refills around the area, which is also nice. Very convenient. Um, but yeah. I don't need any more ammo. If I miss 5 shots on one squirrel, I'm just quitting at this point. Like, why? Whoa. I'm going crazy. I'm just gonna start chasing them. Oh, I want a reward. Where? Nuh-uh. I wanna chase. Finally! Those are enough squirrels for today. I should head back home. Oh boy, now I gotta go back home. There's still more squirrels. I wonder if I like can kill them and don't do anything. I don't think there's a point, but maybe there is. Either way, I can probably just follow this path back home. And then I'll be sets. I mean, how long did this take me? This took me like 10 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. Am I just not good enough to kill squirrels? Well, I don't know where home is, so I'm just gonna follow this path. And hope that it leads me home. I feel bad for these squirrels a little bit, but you know what? I need to cover my wife. Poison grass do not eat. I have poison grass. Should I have waited? I want to see what happened. That's gonna say in 4 days. Soon. Making sure nothing changed. Making sure everything's good. Sure everything's good. Well. Oh. My goodness. Yo! Why is it just a stock photo of a squirrel? That's very blurred. Oh man. Can't wait to kill more squirrels. I don't think anything changed. I don't think I have to pay attention to any of this. Well, it's not 5 days anymore. It's 4 days. Extra large squirrel. What does that mean? I must hunt the big squirrel. Oh my god, there's 2 squirrels right there. F? Oh, that would be good. Alright, so I already have 2 squirrels. And I assume this is just the same thing as for me. Yeah. Okay, so there's one big squirrel, I'm guessing. We're gonna have to find that. We're gonna have to find that. So, I see where I am. There's something yellow over there, but I don't think I can go there. Or I can, probably. Maybe I can't? I mean, I might as well check. Am I even heading in the right direction? No. This is home. I assume... Oh, I'm the yellow dot. Oh, I'm slow. I was like, why'd the yellow dot move? Makes sense. So we should head to these dots. Man, I should have been using the map all along. Sorry if you got annoyed with me. I'm a bit slow when it comes to these types of games. Come on, squirrels. No, you don't. No, 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 no! I need ammo. I need to go back and get ammo. Where was the ammo at? Was that a cow? Cows in this game? I think I reloaded. No! What? No. Yeah. Sit down. Wait, they start tweaking if I start running at them. It's like they don't expect me to hunt them down like pigs. This is good. This is good info. Alright, we gotta go back here. The artist, who was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks, he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me for a few pennies." She said his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed, and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. Okay. I mean, technically, the big squirrel should be the easiest one to find. But let me go to the middle, because there's some... Oh! There it is, there it is, there's the big squirrel, there's the big squirrel. I can see it in all its glory. Yes. I can't let this run. Can't let this squirrel run away. Should be just over this hill. Slow and steady wins the race. I got him. I got him. Now I need to get a little squirrel. What is this? Vengeful ghost squirrel. What? Nuh-uh. Come here. Where is he? You're vengeful, huh? Come take your revenge. Didn't even give me the... Oh my god, come here. Yeah, I'm fast. Got it. These are enough squirrels for today. I should head back home. Alright. I'm pretty far from home. If I just follow this path... Or I can just go this way. Yeah, this will lead me home. Oh, that energy drink is nice. I'll have to keep going back there at the end of the day. Sometimes these squirrels are hard to hit if you if they run at you. It's so hard to hit. When is this game gonna start picking up? I'm assuming tomorrow the game is gonna start getting crazy. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin or give me yours instead. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Huh, so this is a cozy place, but what happened to her? 2 more days. What happened to her skin, though? Like, what happened to her? Something was scratching on the windows last night. Be careful, large predators will investigate loud noises. Oh, wait, tracks. Bears! These are not normal squirrel tracks. Something out there is hunting me. Huh. Oh, I don't like that. So we still have the large squirrel to hunt. That we have to hunt. So we gotta hunt that large squirrel. What the? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Run, man, run. Squirrels. Oh my god. Is that a bear? He's still chasing me. Shoot. There's a foil in my plans. How long is he gonna hunt me? Do I have to shoot him? I mean, I have a gun. I can try to shoot him. This is just gonna scare off squirrels, I feel like. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! my god! He's gone. He's gone. That's not a fun squirrel fact. Energy drink. Come on, where are these squirrels? I have to really start hurrying up if I want to avoid this predator. Who's that? The predator is starting to become the prey. Oh my gosh, yes! You know what else I realized? It said squirrel bear or bear squirrel, which is strange. Very, very strange. Oh my gosh. Hold on. There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks and I hear it at night moving through the foliage and scratching on the concrete. And in the morning there are always squirrels outside the door, with their limbs all pulled off of and their heads twisted around, dozens of them, requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. What does that mean? I have not been reading those reports. There's a lot of squirrels this way. I'm hoping that there's only like one predator a day. Squirrel over here. Maybe we'll get closer. If I call him. I hear a bear. He's behind me, isn't he? Run. 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 Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do something smart. I'm gonna do something smart. I'm gonna let him hit me. Take this energy soda. And then take that heal. Boom. There we go. Look at that. Now I'm quick. Now my health is back. So he doesn't kill you in one hit, which is very, very nice. Yes, sir. There's a ghost squirrel out there. That probably does damage to you. Oh my god, I am on one right now. See that? Ghost squirrel. Ah, get away from me. I'm trying to find big squirrel. Ah! Where's big squirrel? I'm gonna take the heal. I think there's an infinite amount. Yeah, it doesn't disappear. What's that? I hear him. Let's keep running. I need to find big squirrel. Wait, what is this? The sins? Oh my gosh. That scared me. I'm committing sins. I don't know. Okay, my score's boosted. It's fun. Alright, let's hit another energy drink. Come on, big squirrel, where you at? Come on, big squirrel, where you at? This is home, I still have to find big squirrel. He was like over here last time. Maybe they spawned in the same spot? They do. I think the squirrel... Oh my goodness. I think the squirrels spawn in the same spot. At least it's what it looks like with this big squirrel that spawned here. This is honestly fun. I would honestly rather do this than just going around. I mean, games like this, or like maybe a game like Closing Shift where you make coffees, it looks like, so. I don't know. Somewhere you're not just waiting for something to happen. What? What is she doing here? I knew stuff was gonna start changing. I knew stuff was gonna start. I'm not getting chased, right? Wait, the flies are still here? What the heck? Okay. Word. Wait, she's back. Still nothing new in the trash can. Okay. Stuff is starting to pick up now. Watch your corners. Okay. So in like tomorrow, actually, no, Monday. What the? Ah. So you can hide from some of these predators. You can hide from predators. What? I hid. Here, I'll get that paper in a second. I'm gonna... There should be a heal over here. Or somewhere. Around here. Around this area. Where am I? There should be a heal around here somewhere. Squirrels can debone a human male in under 3 hours. Oh. Great, I got an achievement for that. I'm dead. We have to run. How am I meant to hide from these things? I need a heal. I think they chase you until they attack you. This energy soda would be hot right now. Yes. Let's go. Maybe I can outrun them now. Ammo. I was over here, I think, yesterday. So I think I remember. I think if I keep going this way, there's gonna be another energy drink and a heal. Yep. Great, now I have a heal. I don't think the monster's chasing me anymore. So we seem to be in a good spot. We seem to be in a good spot, ladies and gentlemen. It's in the walls now, in the concrete, looking for my brain. I can't find it because my brain is inside my skull. But it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brain is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I am seeing your cower. You are already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. And you're saying, come back tomorrow for another report. Like, why would I do that? No way you're that petty that you're gonna chase me. Still. Is it the big squirrel? It is. It's a nice one to get early on. Instead of just having to wait. I feel confident. I can just run. I feel pretty confident I can just run and still be able to catch some of these squirrels. The artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed, and with he brought it down again, separating her skull into two parts, and somehow still she screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. So he killed a painting woman. To be fair, looks to be in self-defense. By the end of the day, he still killed a half-drawn painting. Painting. Would it be painting woman or painted woman? I feel like painted woman, right? Man, I'm getting over this. Another hard day's work. Gotcha, man. Got you too, ghost squirrel. Got you twice in a row. Run! Who's after me? Double squirrel? I have one bullet. I have to make it count. Oh my gosh! Oh. Huh. Huh. Oh my god. No. Heal. Yes. Heal. Energy soda. Heal. Ammo. Everything. Everything I need. Come on. I need one more. I need one more, man. I need one more, man. One more. Please. I hear another bear. I just need one more. No, no. Yes! 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 Okay. And just go straight ahead, and I'll make it. Yeah, getting that big squirrel at the start of the day, it is so huge to get. Because it's like, there's only one of them. You know, there's only one big squirrel. So to get that at the very start of the day is very, very nice. I don't know that I think this is a horror game. Honestly, I mean I don't know. It's honestly a pretty relaxing game other than the squirrel bears and the ghost squirrels and all that. But I mean for the most part this game's pretty relaxing. I don't see the horror part in it. Let's see where my wife is. She's not in there. She's probably, yep, she's still in here. I think I'm pretty close to beating this game. Let's go to sleep. Another hard day's work. Sleeping at 4 p.m. Mom, she hasn't wandered off yet. That's good. God is coming today. Yeah, I'm glad I kept note. Alright, so no more tips. Starting off with 2 squirrels. There's a paper up here. I don't know if there's ever been a paper up here. Unless I'm just that blind. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. Huh. What does that mean? Ah, I'm sure it's nothing. Nothing a little squirrel hunting can't fix, right? Don't look at me like I'm crazy. I can see you. I can see you. That's rude. It's rude to stare. No. I've made her very angry. More squirrels than bullets. Please. You know how I have infinite bullets. What is that? Is that an energy soda? We'll look at it in a second. We gotta look at this probably final note. The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought to me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman exclaimed the bloody mess and said, "Oh, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains. But it was poisoned and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. What? I don't even see him. Don't worry. I'll get this energy soda. Oh shoot, he's right there. I'm gonna get this energy. Ah! I can't get the energy soda. And there's a heal over here. Oh man, we're looking good. We only need 3 more squirrels. Energy soda, full health, full ammo. Not enough bullets. More squirrels than bullets. That's a good question. It's like a Doors Wheels type of scenario. You think there's more squirrels in the world or more bullets? I didn't I did not find all of them. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This is another energy drink. Hear that? Oh wait, we gotta read this. Please disregard previous reports. Everything is quiet. Okay. Let me just do that real quick. Like, I don't know. What I do know though is we're about to beat this game. I don't want to send today. God is coming. Energy drink. Ammo. Squirrels. I'm back home. I feel like this has been the most boring day. It's just looking like a good day, but I haven't really found any more squirrels. Thank you. Here. I'll just sit around, squirrel calling. I see one. No. You're not getting away from me that easy. Give me that. Yep. That's an FPS play right there. See that tracking? See that tracking? Try getting away from me. Yes! Wait, what? I must prepare to meet God. I don't think I'm going to be able to get home in time. But my map knowledge is gonna shine here. Watch, I'm gonna get this energy drink. I think I can get it. I think I can do it. I should probably get home first, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and get home. Where do I have to go? Straight this way. Yes. I have to try. Make sure I'm going the right way. I'm going the right way. Don't run into any trees. I'm about halfway there. I should be able to make it. 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 Did I? What is that? What? Where do I go? I hear them. I hear the voices. Follow the voices. Follow the voices. Follow the voices. Follow the high-pitched voice. I'm ready. I'm ready. Where? 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 Oh my gosh! I win! I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this game is some sort of money laundering scheme. Or something. I've changed. I'm a changed man. I've changed from the beginning and I've changed from the beginning to the end. Honestly. Good way or bad way, I'm not sure. All I know is I've wasted about an hour and a half of my life playing this game and hunting squirrels. And that's about that. Anyway, Squirrel Stapler. I mean, I don't really know what else I could say. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you. Peace.